Hi, I'm Captain Steve. That's how people have known me in Key West for over 2 decades. But now I'm taking on a whole new role, which is sure to be an adventure, and I want to share it with you. It's a horse farm and training facility in Ocala, Florida. It's situated in the heart of horse country in a gated horse complex. It's comprised of 15 acres of paddocks, 2 barns, 3 apartments, a guest house, and a large private residence. All have been neglected for a long time and need a lot of work, imagination, and yes, money. It's a mess. But I've been working on it for the past 8 months, and you can start to see the potential, but there's still a lot to do. It's definitely one of the most ambitious things I've ever tried in my life, and it's either going to be an incredible lifetime achievement or, if things go bad, an epic disaster. So, if you have an interest in remodeling projects, horses, love the country, and a horseman's lifestyle, you'll want to tag along for this one. We will share and learn together. So let's go check it out.
You might notice I have jeans on. Not too many people wear jeans in Key West unless it's cold. Well, it's not cold here today, but I'm going north and we're heading out to the airport. Walking out to the airplane now, a cup of coffee in hand, get to Ocala. Okay, John and I just landed. We're on the way to the farm at Ocala. So now we're in the main barn, and the main barn has 16 stalls. Here's all the babies. Hey guys! Julio's giving one a bath.
Yeah, buddy, you just got off the track. Gotta get him freshened up.
One of my favorite horses. Makes funny faces. Likes to shake its head. Shake your head for it. There you go. You're a funny boy. Chores are never done on the farm. Shavings pile. We're almost out of shavings for the stalls, so John got over here and what little bit we have left, he's breaking them all up. So we got to get another order of shavings.
Steve up there with the fly spray system.
One of the other things I want to show you real quick are these waters. They're great. Automatic waters. And the horses come out here and they've got this float. These are all made out of concrete. And they have a float on them. And the horse comes out, dumps the water, and the water will fill itself back. Oh wow, look at the birds. Lots of birds here, lots of wildlife. So we're heading back to Key West from Ocala. Place looks good, all the horses are happy. Time to go back home and take care of things in Key West.